What takes blood to the heart? You only have one of two options. Is it an artery or is it a vein?
Isn't it? It's a vein.
Vein. Vein takes blood to the heart, right? So we know that all these turn into veins because they go into the heart. And then what system is it coming from? What system is it coming? What is the system? The lung system. There's three different ways of saying it. What's one of them? The system as a whole.
Oh, the respiratory system.
Good job. That's the main one. That's one of them. What's the other one? What's the other way of saying respiratory system? Pulmonary. So a vessel. So this is really important for the future for you guys. Vein and artery are like left and right. They are directional terms. So if it's a vein, the blood that's in that vein is going to the heart. If it's an artery, the blood is going away from the heart. The only name that's gonna come in front of it is like where is it coming from or going to. So here we know it's a vein. So think 2 more seconds. Veins take blood to the heart. All right. It's coming from the pulmonary system. Therefore, it's the pulmonary vein. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. And what do we have here? What do we bring?